What if you stopped making your own decisions and let an AI do all the thinking for you? For the next 7 days, I replaced my brain with ChatGPT. Every choice, every decision, from what I eat to how I spend my time, was controlled by AI. Here's what happened. Day 1. I asked ChatGPT what I should eat for breakfast. Instead of my usual tea and bread, it gave me a full nutrition plan. Eggs, oats, fruit, even a glass of water before eating. Already this AI was bossing me around like my mother. On day 2, I told ChatGPT to plan my work. Instead of procrastinating, it gave me a strict schedule. 9 a.m. study, 1 p.m. exercise, 3 p.m. work on YouTube. My brain was screaming for freedom, but I had to obey. Then it started controlling my style. I asked what to wear and ChatGPT said, choose comfortable, casual, and weather-appropriate clothes. Translation, stop looking like a hacker and dress like a human being. Things got awkward on day 4. I asked ChatGPT how to talk to friends. It told me to listen more, speak with confidence, and ask open-ended questions. I felt like a robot running a script. My friends noticed something was off, but didn't know AI was pulling my strings. By day 5, ChatGPT was basically my boss. I even asked it how to spend money. Spoiler, it told me to save instead of buying snacks. Imagine being bullied by your own phone. Day 6 was hard. My brain felt empty because I wasn't making any decisions. I realized how much of our identity comes from choices. Without them, I felt like a character in someone else's video game. On the final day, I asked ChatGPT what it thought of me. It said, "You are disciplined and willing to experiment." That hit me. AI can guide us, but it can't live for us. At some point, you need your own brain back. So, after a week of living with an AI brain, here's my conclusion. ChatGPT is a great assistant, but a terrible master. Use AI to help you, but don't hand over your life. Would you survive if AI made all your choices? Comment below.